The Chief Executive Member of Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council, Titas W. Kine, on Tuesday inaugurated a tourist spot at Wa Utim, Maulong Sardarship. Speaking on the occasion, Kine said that the construction of the project was slowed down due to COVID-19, but he is happy to see that the project has been completed while hoping that more tourists will visit the place. He also said that with this project, many youth from the areas will get employment.
Kenang ba ka na central kinyo kan sanction ha kapor ka babiang. Tiyak beda ipat ba kani tourist spot hang ni na nakaliang ka jonga kum CM ngan sapha. La ka jong pat ka proposal la kumnum no sikror siteng. Sa sikror siteng na kabantaban develop ya kanika tourist spot hang ni wa optim. Tikermen ba kanika sanction ngila banyo ha kapor ka babiang. Kenang ba kanong gajing eraw kanang menginyo ban pentre hakapur ke babiak.